Hi there, this is my lock, and welcome to another episode of Lotto Lock Tuesday. Now, down in the description below, there'll be a link to Pocket Women's channel and to the Sadistic Pickers. So you can either check out those channels for a lot more Lotto Lock content, or click on the hashtag. So what have we got here? We've got a couple of Master Lock 410s. I think they've both got the 401 keyway. An orange one and a black one. Colours I didn't have, so when I saw these two going up for sale, I put a bid on them. Just because it's colours I don't have. Right, so we'll try and give this orange one a pick. So let's see. Trying to keep the tension light and just we click from 2, 3, 1. That felt like it was possibly 5, and then a slight false set now. So keeping the tension light, looking for counter rotation. Got a bit of counter rotation there, but lost that false set. Touched 1, got the false set back. A little bit of counter there again. Two. There we go. That's it. We have the open. So yeah, took a little while to feel that one out. I think I might have been accidentally lifting pin 3 rather than pin 4. So there we go, and the black one will be for next week. So check out the channels down below, and yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Cheers.